Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your For You page on TikTok. So let's say there's a situation where on your For You page you don't find the type of content that you like and you want to curate the content that is being displayed on your For You page. Now keep in mind, if you choose to reset your TikTok For You page, you'll be resetting all your For You data. You'll be seeing totally new different contents on your For You page. First thing you want to do is open TikTok. And once you have it open, you want to come to this section with your profile. Tap on this and this will bring you to your TikTok profile. On this page, you want to tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this and you're going to see several options such as Creator Tool, Business Suite, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy, and on the Settings and Privacy page, you want to look for Content Preferences. Tap on Content Preferences. And here you see several options. Now tap on Refresh your For You feeds, and then tap on Continue. This will bring out the prompt to refresh your For You feeds. So if you want to refresh your For You feeds, tap on Refresh and your For You feeds will be refreshed. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to refresh your For You page on TikTok, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.